The Ninja Coffee Bar single-serve system comes complete with a variety of brew types, sizes, and features that you can't get anywhere else. Pod-free single-serve enables you to use your favorite coffee grounds for unlimited variety when brewing a single cup up to the new XL multi-serve travel size. The Ninja Coffee Bar system allows you to further customize your coffee with Ninja's advanced thermal flavor extraction technology by creating variable levels of richness from the same grounds, including the Ninja exclusive Cafe Forte, which amplifies the natural, subtle flavors for a sensationally different coffee experience. Top off your favorite beverage by using the Ninja Coffee Bar's integrated frother to
putting the heating elements inside the boiler like most do. They wrap them around the outside for more even heat distribution, and that's really what it's all about. You know, frothing with a Panarello wand, I mean, that's really easy. You know, then if you want to go a little further, you know, you can always get the latte art wand on there and really finesse that milk for, you know, latte art, if you're into that. If you're getting serious into espresso, but, you know, you don't want to spend a lot of money. I mean, this thing has all the professional features to allow you to pull shots that are just as good as those coming off machines costing a ton more. The Gaggia Classic, it's a wonderful tool to start your journey.
If you're looking for a no-fuss approach to brewing delicious-tasting coffee at home, try the BUNN Velocity Brew. This 10-cup brewer features BUNN Quick Brew technology, allowing you to brew a full pot of coffee fast, like 3 minutes fast. It features an internal hot water tank that works by water displacement. Simply add your favorite coffee, pour water in, and let the BUNN-engineered spray head work its magic, allowing you to enjoy delicious hot coffee in minutes. Velocity Brew is backed by BUNN 3-year warranty and comes with a 10-cup Pour-O-Matic drip-free carafe. This carafe is specially designed to eliminate spillage down the side of the carafe and on the warming plate. BUNN Velocity Brew allows you to consistently brew a full pot of delicious coffee quickly and with ease.
Coffee Latte, Cafe Mocha, Espresso Martini, Caramel Cappuccino. The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker lets you create delicious coffeehouse drinks in one simple touch. Be your own barista, brewing rich espressos, aromatic cappuccinos, and decadent lattes in minutes. The 15 bars of pressure and automatic milk frother ensure fabulous results. To begin, fill the water reservoir and slide it into the unit. Pour the milk of your choice in the milk reservoir. Next, place the single or double shot filter inside the portafilter, depending on the type and size of your beverage. Add the espresso grounds, tamping them down firmly, and attach the portafilter to the unit. Place your cup under the brew head and aim the frothed milk dispensing tube towards the center of your cup. If making espresso, use the height adjustment tray for smaller demi-tasse cups. Adjust the froth amount to match your choice of beverage or foam preference. And using the one-touch preset buttons, select your desired beverage and size by pushing the corresponding button. Voila! The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker does the rest. Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker, bringing the coffeehouse experience home.